So to get a tree map, we need to go into word frequencies and do a query. So let's share my screen and let's come back into the main program again that I've been using on School Age High Performance. And you'll see that to do a word frequency, we simply just have to do a query, a word frequency. So drop down on word frequency and it will come up. Now, as we've suggested in the ebook, take it back to 100 most frequent, do it a minimum of 3 unless you want to go a little bit more. And then this is important, you need to actually do select items. Now, we're doing a word frequency on our literature in order to create a tree map. So let's just select our literature from here that we've got in internals and just do it on literature. Let's just remove all the rest. Just let's do it on duality as a theme and certainly sport. So we're just going to do a word frequency that will bring up a tree map to show us what similar ideas, words are being spoken about in this literature on these particular themes. So we've selected that, and all we do now is just simply run the query. Once we run the query, you'll see that the percentage bar down here on the items that we've selected will run, and once it's run, you will see that in front of you will be a summary which indicates all the words that were picked up in those particular articles and going down with the percentage weight and the count and the length that was identified. But for tree maps, go over to the right-hand side. We've seen the word cloud. Let's go into the tree map. Here's a tree map. It is actually picking up the main words that were actually themes that were actually picked up in the literature, sports, performance, and people. And as you can see, across all of these little cells is similar words that each of these main themes is being identified with. So sports with high, schools, national, sporting, performance with Australia, sport, athletes, boys, time, training, success. And there's a little bit of crossover between Australia and sports. As you can see, the cells are not going directly across, and that's what you will find, that there should be a little bit of crossover between some of those major words, such as Australia, for example. And each one of these, as you can see, you can hit on each of these cells and open it as a node preview to see what is actually being coded in there. So that was just a little look at TreeMaps. So I'll just go back. I hope you enjoyed that view. Thank you.